Alright folks, so I ordered this nice little coffee pot after I saw it on Healy and Keeley show. And I'm not sure what I was expecting, but it was something just a little bit bigger than this. You know, it says it's 3 cups. And in my world, that's 3 cups. There is no way that that little pot is going to hold 3 cups. And when I ordered it, I expected to fill 2 of these in one go. I don't think that that is going to fill even one of these. What is that? That is not 3 cups.
And here we go. The spout is too small, and its top doesn't work well. Makes good coffee, but spills everywhere. It ain't a Bialetti, that's for sure. It ain't a Bialetti.
Why did it turn this color? I've used it twice. As you can tell, it's new. Just got it from Amazon. I don't remember who the seller is, but I need to know if this is oxidation because you need to take this back.
No kidding. That's crazy.
The water is in there, the coffee is in here, and once the water heats up, it infuses it up through that little spout.
Excelente producto, muy buena calidad, cuela perfecto, se la recomiendo familia para que tengan un delicioso café en su hogar.